Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna to make this viral Squid Game craft. So get ready to craft your own paper Squid Game with me. Let's do it together. For this, I have taken origami paper. You can also take normal notebook paper. Now cut the paper in the same size which I have mentioned in this video. Then mark the paper with the scale. Fold it like this and follow these steps carefully. You will definitely get the same result. Make another piece with the same steps and fold both pieces. Now that's it. Your squid paper game is ready. Now play it with your friends and challenge them. Can they beat the clock? Hope you guys like my video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.